transforming this graphics card from this condition directly into this. What is that experience like? Hello brothers, how is everyone doing? I'm Brother P. Glad to see you again. In this video, we are maintaining a Galax GTX 1060 3GB version. This card was sold to me by one of our fans. The card itself had some issues, which I have already repaired. However, its condition looks like it was just dug up from the ground. Next, follow my camera as we restore it to a 99% new, lady-owned condition. Follow me, let's get started. Alright brothers, this Galax 1060 3GB card, after my repair, cleaning, maintenance, and refurbishment is now undergoing retesting. Take a look, the max temperature is 60°C, hotspot is 68°C, and the power limit is at 47%. The fans have been replaced with high-spec intake systems, so it's very quiet. Thermal pads and thermal paste are all brand new. The stress test stability reached 99.2%. Yes, Brother P has successfully brought this card back to life. Now brothers, the usual drill. After maintenance, I've prepared a gold finger protector for you. Why am I arranging this for you guys? Let's talk about it since I've finished. The repair, maintenance, and refurbishment. I plan to give this away to a fan for a bargain price of 99 yuan. If you need it, grab it fast. This card's mission is successfully completed. For full PC cleaning, maintenance, or trade-ins, contact Brother P. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.